Introducing the MU500V3. A compact 5-axis vertical machining center, offering class-leading productivity per unit area. Okuma's MU500V3 features a space-saving design, having the same installation footprint as a vertical machining center. It's equipped with an expansive machining chamber, accommodating workpieces up to 700 millimeters in diameter and 500 millimeters in height, on a table with a diameter of 500 millimeters. With linear axis for the X, Y, and Z axis, and rotary axis for the A and C axis, it allows for simultaneous 5-axis machining and indexed 5-axis machining. It features a powerful spindle lineup, capable of machining a wide range of materials, providing the same level of machining power as a vertical machining center. The high-power spindle, with a maximum output of 22 kilowatts, achieves a milling capacity of 535 cubic centimeters per minute. The coolant removal process from the tool, required during every tool change, is reduced to just 0.6 seconds thanks to the coolant suction system, enabling significantly shorter non-cutting times. In addition to minimizing operator strain and allowing easy access to the table, the trunnion table structure ensures excellent visibility of the workpiece and jigs. The machine is equipped with the OSP P500 control, which features an operator-friendly panel interface that prioritizes visibility and usability. By connecting the flexible OMR mobile collaborative robot, the machine is capable of long runs of automated operation tailored to production needs. The OMR is an automation system that is easy to set up without the need for programming and can be flexibly connected to the machine based on the production conditions. Startup from connecting the OMR to starting operation can be completed in as short as 4.5 minutes. Also, using a nut runner, jigs can be secured without using hydraulic pressure. The sludgeless tank reduces the labor-intensive task of cleaning tanks for boosting productivity and maximizing machine uptime. It also significantly cuts running costs. Even in factory environments with temperature variations of up to 8 degrees Celsius, it achieves thermal deformation over time of only 7 micrometers for providing the world's highest level of accuracy and stability for a 5-axis machining center. The machine is also equipped with 5-axis auto-tuning system 2, which corrects geometric errors like misalignment of rotary axis centers, which can significantly affect 5-axis machining accuracy. This feature uses a probe, enabling anyone to easily tune the accuracy of the machine. The machine automatically diagnoses changes in accuracy and notifies the user, maintaining high accuracy with fewer tunings needed. The thermo-friendly concept and the energy-saving EcoSuite Plus system enable better energy efficiency while maintaining high accuracy. It handles high-accuracy machining of complex-shaped parts, such as semiconductor manufacturing equipment components, artificial joints, and blisks by using single chucking. The MU500V3, a compact 5-axis vertical machining center with class-leading productivity per unit area, contributes to improved productivity in the machining of complex-shaped parts.